Welcome to 656 Aspen Road, a beautifully renovated 4+2 bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within West Pickering's highly desirable Amberlea neighbourhood. A showpiece of modern elegance, the main level showcases wide plank engineered hardwood flooring throughout the reception area and the main entertaining spaces, with pot lighting, crown moldings, wainscoting, upgraded trims, and an elegantly modern decor as some of its other fine features. The formal living room is bathed in natural light through an east-facing bay window, and along its north wall is a framed accent panel to highlight artwork or media components, with this space open to the formal dining room. Also accessible off the main hallway and through the kitchen, the dining room showcases a gorgeous modern pendant chandelier suspended from a medallion and has a bay window with a ledge as well as light diffusing privacy blinds. The family room showcases picture frame trims on its walls, with 2 of these frames highlighted by contemporary wall sconces, in which flank a gas fireplace finished with stacked stone cladding and centered beneath a large window. The family room is fully open to the kitchen and its breakfast area, which has 2 windows and a sliding door walkout along its west-facing turret wall, complete with light diffusing privacy blinds. The walkout opening to a low-maintenance backyard that is fenced includes a covered wood gazebo with privacy blinds and a wood play structure, and which is fully hardscaped with stone garden beds and a patio, as well as having a stone walkway on the south side of the home to the front yard terrace. The kitchen itself showcases a modern, elegant design that includes light-colored quartz counters and backsplashes set against dark-colored cabinetry that features molded uppers, upgraded hardware, a large pantry, and glass-paneled accent doors. And the kitchen is complete with a stainless steel double undermount sink, gas range, dishwasher, and a 2-drawer French door fridge. Porcelain flooring finishes the kitchen and its breakfast area, with both spaces also featuring modern pendant lights. An entertaining extension of the family room, this level also features a combined servery and bar area, which coordinates with the kitchen, has a wine rack and a bar fridge, and is conveniently accessible to the dining room as well. The foyer has a mirrored door double coat closet and granite flooring, as does the powder room, which also has a vanity with a stone counter and a motion sensor light. The den, which is ideal as a home office, features oak hardwood flooring, track lighting, a huge window, and includes a desk. And the laundry room has a glass door entry, vinyl plank flooring, a stacked front-load washer and dryer, an updated sink, as well as storage space. The staircases to both the upper and lower levels are curved, have hardwood and wrought iron railings, as well as contrasting treads and risers. The upper staircase also featuring wainscoting and illuminated by a cascading chandelier. The upper level features hardwood flooring, wainscoting, and pot lighting in the hallway, as well as 4 spacious bedrooms, all updated with vinyl plank flooring, and 2 washrooms. The main 5-piece washroom has subway tiled flooring, a ceramic tiled bath and shower area, a vanity with countertop basins, and a linen closet just outside its door. The second bedroom has a contemporary chandelier, with this, the 3rd and the 4th bedroom all featuring double closets, large windows, and able to accommodate sitting or study areas. And in addition, all 4 bedrooms on this level have their own heat pumps to provide a more personalized and comfortable sleeping environment. This home also has 2 additional bedrooms with its lower level, which are contained in a very spacious in-law suite showcasing an updated kitchen and washroom, updated flooring, and having a separate entrance from the north side of the home. through a double-door entry is the impressively sized master suite, which showcases a huge sitting area bathed in light through the 3 west-facing windows along its turret wall. Also featuring trimmed walls, a linear light fixture, and a large wardrobe that complements the storage already offered with the room's single and walk-in closets. This incredibly spacious retreat is complete with a beautiful ensuite washroom showcasing tiled finishes, a toilet and bidet, a linen closet, an oversized glass block window for light and privacy, a glass shower with mosaic accent borders, and a stone-top shower seat, as well as a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins. Walking distance to Gannett-Settigan Public, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, as well as public transit, green spaces, and the Amberlea Shopping Centre. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.